Hi guys, it's Scooty here. Today we're going to take out the radiator from a Ford Focus. Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it. First we're going to take this air ducting off. And how you're going to take this off is, it's got a screw here, okay? And then it just untwists this side, okay? And obviously you got to take out this guy here. Okay guys? Okay, it's off now guys. As you can see, the airbox duct is off. Okay? What you want to do next is you want to take out these terminal plugs. Okay, so you lift it. Okay, that's one. And you got another one down there for the fan. Okay guys. It's hard to hold the camera steady for you guys. But once it comes, it will come. Okay, it's out now. Next what we gotta do is we gotta jack this car up, because this radiator comes out from the bottom and not the top. So it comes out from the bottom and not on top. Okay guys. So I'm gonna jack it up quick, put it on stands, and then we will continue. So underneath the car, you gotta take off this bolt. Okay, the screw, this screw, and that screw, and also that bolt here. Okay guys, we're gonna take off that one and this one here. Okay, in order to drop the radiator and take the fan off. Okay guys. You gotta take off these two as well, and on the other side exactly the same. Okay guys, so these two also have to come out. Okay, on this bracket that we just loosened up. Okay, we take those bolts out. We gotta take off the hose pipes, let the water run out of the radiator. Okay guys, so let's do that quick. Yep guys, there wasn't much water in here because this radiator is leaking water. So yeah. As you can see, the radiator has now been dropped. Okay, so you gotta take off this bracket. I'll show you guys now. You've got to take off this bracket for the radiator to drop underneath. Okay guys, now what you want to do is you want to take off this radiator pipe. Okay guys, the top hosing pipe for the radiator. So let's just do next. You want to take out these bolts for the condenser, for the aircon, and that one there. Can you see it guys? Okay, so then we got to take off that to release it from the radiator. Cool. Okay, so I got it off now guys. As you can see, that bolt I took out of the radiator for the condenser. So what happens is you just gotta lift it up off of this bracket, lift it up to get it off. Okay guys, the radiator's out guys. To get this fan off, you just need to unclip it here and unclip it here, and then just pull it off and it will come off. Okay guys, so that's how you take the radiator out. Okay, it's everything now just in reverse, but now I'm gonna wait for the new radiator. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys when I get the new radiator. Okay guys. Hey guys, okay, it's now the next day. Got the new radiator. As you guys can see, this is the old one here, old one there. Okay, the way you put on these guys is You just slide them on. You can see, guys. Okay, guys, I saw something on this fan now that I just fitted onto this radiator. It's broken. Okay, I can fix that, but I'm first going to contact the client and see what he says. Maybe he wants to put a new fan on it instead of fixing this one. Okay, guys. Hey, guys, I got the new fan up. I spoke to the customer. I told him I have to repair it, but I can't guarantee it that it won't come off and knock the new fan. I mean the new radiator. Okay, guys. So yeah, here's the new fan, guys. So all you do is you just slide it into these grooves here, and on the other side, as you guys can see. Okay, all you do is lay it flat. Okay, guys, and then just slide it in, and that's it. Okay, it's on now. So now what we're gonna do next is, okay, guys. So now the condenser's on the radiator, as I showed you. It clips into there. Okay, and clips on top, and then it gets hold with 2 bolts at the bottom. Okay, guys. The next is, now we're gonna put this bracket back in. As you guys can see, that bracket we're gonna put back in. It gets hold with 4 bolts, 10mm socket, and 2 bolts underneath. Okay, that bracket's in now. I only got 2 bolts holding it in now. There's one. Here's where's the other one? There's the other one. Okay, so now we gotta put in those. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those 2 back ones in, and then those 2 in, and then it should be secured in. Okay, guys. Next, you want to put in those 3 screws in this cover, as you can see there. And next, you want to put this hose pipe back on, the water pipe at the bottom radiator hose. You guys can see. Okay, that's on now, as you guys can see. And then you want to put the top radiator hose on. If you guys can see that. Okay, that's on. You want to put on your plugs. Okay, that one goes in there. Okay, another one here. That one goes on the top. But this one. Okay, and yeah, last thing is now to put the air ducting on, guys. The air ducting is on now. Like I said, you just turn it out or turn it in. You got a screw here, and you got to put this wire back behind this clip. Okay, so next is now to fill up this water, run the car, see if there's no leaks. Okay, guys, let's top up the reservoir bottle. I still got my car jacked up, so we can get out so we can get all the air bubbles out the system by keeping it jacked up, so the bubbles will go to the highest point of the bottle. Okay, guys, I'm going to start the car up now. Keeping the water bottle full. so we can check when the air bubbles come up. And also put your heater on in your car. Don't let the heater fan run, but just put the heater on. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, you want to run this car until all the air bubbles are out and your fan is coming on. Most importantly, your fan must come on. Okay, guys? Then you know you've bled your system. Okay, and then after you've bled and everything, if you've driven a car, in the morning when you wake up, come straight to the car, check if the water level has dropped and top it up to its level, okay? Because it might just take some water. The thermostat will open up and take it, okay? And take the water. So I suggest you wait for the car to cool down properly, about 4 hours to 5 hours, okay? Or check it the next morning and see if you need to top your bottle up again, okay, guys? Okay, guys, so once you bled it, the fan should come on and then you know it's been bled. Okay, guys? Peace out. Bye.